I'm Super Coco! Look at me fly!
Oh, my head. Kids, please settle down.
I'm faster than you!
Have no fear. Super Coco is here to protect the cushions.
Get the bad guy, Super Coco! Look at this jump! I'm a bouncing tiger!
I am Super Coco. My rules say I save the world first.
My bullet!
And now for my greatest feat.
Up, up, and away!
Catch me if you can. I'm faster.
Look!
Stop this! Stop this shouting! My head is gonna blast with pain. Sorry, Mama. We didn't mean to make your headache worse. We were just playing. We didn't know it would hurt you.
Please, sorry, Mama. We won't make noise again.
We promise to behave and not hurt your head. We will be good kittens. We are a happy family again.
We love you, Mama.
Like, share, and subscribe to Jiggletoon Tales for more.
Mama, sorry, Mama. We won't make noise again.
We promise to be careful and not hurt your head. We will always